Hey guys, today we are going to talk about why you need to sleep well for better muscle growth. You may think that the more you be in gym, the more result you will get. However, it simply isn't true that more time working out equals more or better result. Proper sleep is often overlooked as a critical factor when it comes to maximizing muscle gains. Proper sleep is also absolutely crucial when it comes to increasing muscle mass and improving performance. Glucose is a type of sugar which is stored within the body and used for energy. It is in fact the only kind of sugar that body can break down for energy. Any other kind of sugar that we ingest is broken down into glucose before our muscle can use it for energy. During sleep, blood glucose gets stored in the muscles as muscle glycogen. While glucose exists in other location in body, muscle glycogen is preferred location because it produces more energy than glucose comes from the blood. When you don't get enough sleep, you don't get maximum refill of muscle glycogen. Human growth hormones, on the other hand, is one of the primary compounds that allows muscles to recover and grow. Without a good quantity and quality of sleep, the body simply cannot do these things well. By consuming a combination of protein and carbohydrate within 30 minutes after the resistance training, you will stimulate a greater release of human growth hormones during sleep. If you are finding this video informative till now, then you can leave a like and let me know in the comment section below if you have any question regarding fitness. It's not that only getting enough sleep helps in muscle growth. Without sufficient sleep, muscle mass decreases. A study in 2011 examined how sleep deprivation affects muscle gain and recovery. The study followed individuals who were on strict sleep schedule for 72 hours. During this time, one group was allowed 5.5 hours of sleep and another group was allowed 8.5 hours of sleep per day. All individuals followed a calorie-regulated diet. What researchers discovered was that the individual who slept for only 5.5 hours had 60% less muscle mass at the end of the study, while those who slept for 8.5 hours had 40% and more muscle mass. However, less sleep is not only the sole reason for decreasing in muscle mass. There are many factors like diet, metabolism, lifestyle, and many more. Obviously, we can see the powerful effect that sleep has on muscle recovery and growth. According to the 2008 study, lack of sleep will slow down the energy levels and leave us with the mood swings. You might not think that mood swings are something we need to concern about. However, there is enough research showing that our emotional state can directly affect our athletic performance. Avoid high-intensity activity just before bed. Performing high-intensity activity gives the body a boost of energy. Therefore, it is important that this kind of activities are completed no later than 3 hours before the bedtime. Otherwise, the subsequent energy boost is likely to get in the way of good night's sleep. Stay on good sleep schedule. Though you think that getting the same quality of sleep by going to sleep late and wake up later, this is not true. This type of pattern tends to interfere with the body's natural 24-hour cycle, also known as circadian rhythm. Poor sleep means poor energy and probably a poor attitude. Chances are this will translate to submaximal effort, poor technique, and overall poor performance. Ultimately, this means you will experience suboptimal muscle growth. Most people, trainer, bodybuilders, athletes, and average gym goers overlook sleep as one of the pillars of proper training session. With busy lives, getting by with just a few hours of sleep is standard for many people, but it won't let to get maximum muscle gains. If those kind of gains are priority for you, then sorting out the sleep situation also need to be a priority. In the end, all of this lead to better and faster muscle growth. If you are interested in getting facts and tips about fitness, then consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell icon so that you get notified first when we release a video.